Hi there. Just wanted to do a walk around preview on this 75K H400. Some people have kind of requested some more information on this machine. It's a pretty much complete machine, but as you can see, it's crusty, but it's original. But it definitely has some patina to it. Has the original pipes on it, original turn signals. Wheels don't look too bad. Seat's actually intact. I don't have a key for it, unfortunately. Have to work that out. The tank, oh boy, I'm not sure about that. We're going to find out. The motor, yeah, the motor is stuck. She's stuck. So there is a lot to do on this bike. Throttle cable, yeah, that's supposed to go in there. Brakes, yeah, those are going to need some love. This bike is going to need a lot of work. Look at the forks. That's some significant pitting. Well, I can get the outies out, but not the innies out. I don't know. We'll see. I know a trick. You just take the forks, you clean those up with a stone, a sharpening stone, and then turn them 180 degrees. Hide the bad parts in back. And as long as they don't leak, rock and roll. So yeah, the rims don't look too bad. They look like they'll polish out. The exhaust, again, the exhaust is all there. All the carburetors are there. Everything's, fortunately it's not disassembled. But man, yeah, look at that tank. I've had this bike for 5 years and it's been undercover. It's not completely, it's been exposed to the elements a little bit. But because I don't remember it being quite that bad. But anyway, hey, we'll do what we can. So yeah, KH400, it's all there. It's going to be a lot of work. Probably $1,000 just for the motor. And then, I don't know, should I put pipes on it? I don't know. Should I put K&N handlebars on it and pipes? I don't know. It has a stock system that'll probably clean up. Let's drop it down. Sorry, this video is kind of dark. I don't have a light. Oh boy, that is dark. 15,000 miles. Well, anyway, yeah, there you go. There it is, 75K H400. It's going to be a big project. A lot of work there. This is not exactly low-hanging fruit in the scope of work I have to do. Hey, please like, subscribe, comment. Let's hear what you got to say about this machine. Thanks again for watching.